What is up, you guys? Today on Gap City Squad, I'm going to show you how to run a boost gauge in your Volkswagen. First things first, you're going to want to remove this plastic piece that goes along here. And to do that, you need to remove this rubber. Next thing, you're going to want to remove this the cover for your ECU. Now your boost gauge is going to come with this T-hose right here. So what I did was I cut the vacuum line to the fuel pressure regulator, I believe that is. Pretty sure that's what it is. That way I am as close, I have as much vacuum hose as possible. And then it's just a straight shot to this grommet right here. So you just cut a cross in there and you run your line through. Out of sight, out of mind, looks pretty good. And then right here you follow the hose and there's a rubber, this right here for your wiring harness. You want to cut a little hole in that, a little T in that, but you need to make sure you ain't getting any wires. And then you're just gonna run your vacuum line through this. And then it's gonna be hard to see, but you see that right there? That's a little entrance to the cockpit of your car. You're gonna want to run your hose down in there. And look, here is your hose. Just pull it through. And now, figure out a place to put the boost gauge. I'm going to set it right here so that it's right here, because you don't want the gauge pillar, because these cars come equipped with airbags right here. And if that goes off, you're getting a face full of gauges. So here's what I did. I drilled a hole right here, a long one, so that when I pivot the steering wheel, the hose doesn't get kinked. So just run that hose through there now, and I'll show you what's next. Got the hose through there. Now we need to set up our pod somewhere, figure out how to mount it. Yeah, that looks good. Boom, got that all set up. Got it screwed down right there. If you guys want to use adhesive, that might be better, just depends. This pod came with adhesive, like a double-sided tape, but it wasn't very good, so yeah. So you see right there, I got my boost line and the cables for helping it light up. Now just figure out where to run these things. I have an idea. Pretty sure I'll just hook it up to where my radio's hooked up, which is right here, where this red wire is. So this is how I have it. I got the ground hooked up to just a ground, this bracket right here. Just choose a ground for it. And then I have my positive hooked up to '75X. Dirty, but put back together. Let's do this side now. Bam! Okay. Now let's test it out. Okay, we're in the car. Let's turn the ignition. See if it lights up. Oh my god. Okay, let's start it. Oh my god. Well, I would say that was a success. Now be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Did you subscribe yet? Okay, thanks. Peace out, brethren. Oh, shit.